Okay, friends, you might need a big workspace for this, so if you sit at a desk, make sure that you have a lot of room on your desk, or if you're sitting on the floor, just make sure that you have some room on your floor to do this, okay? All right, so you need to grab out that piece of paper that we talked about. It should say Exploring with the Fraction Circles, and you're going to look at number 1. And you're going to see, what is this question asking me? It says blank browns equal 1 whole circle. So what does this question want to know? Oh, it wants to know how many browns equal 1 whole circle. So what I'm going to do for this first problem is I'm going to get out my browns, and I'm going to get out my circle. And this is why it might be important to have your whiteboard or your paper so you can put it on your whiteboard. And you can say, I have my circle, and I want to know how many browns equal 1 whole circle. So I have 2 browns here, but that's not quite a whole circle. So then I'm going to go back to my pile, and I'm going to see if there's another brown. Aha! There's another brown. So I'm going to cover up my circle with all of my browns. Perfect. And then I'm going to think, okay, so 1, 2, 3 browns equal 1 whole circle. So then I'm going to take my paper and my pencil, and I'm going to write 3 browns equal 1 whole circle. And then I'm just going to keep going, so you'll read the next question. 1 whole circle equals blank pinks. So that wants to know how many pinks does it take to get to 1 whole circle. So then you'll go into your fraction pieces, you'll figure it out, you'll write down your answer, and you'll keep going until you finish this whole page. And then once you finish this whole page, you need to take a picture of it and you need to upload it to our assignment on Seesaw so that way I can see it, okay? All right, perfect. And remember, I taught you a lesson on how to take a picture on your Chromebook because I need to be able to read your answers when you take your picture. And if I can't read your answers, I'm going to send it back to you and I'm going to ask you to take another picture. So make sure that all of this is filled out, and then you need to upload it to Seesaw. And then make sure that you keep really good track of your fraction pieces, and please put them all back in the baggie when you are all done.